In this video, I'm going to show you how to change IB in Vantage. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside your Vantage dashboard, click on your account, top right, and then click on here where it says go to your profile, okay? So this arrow to the right, click on that. And then over here, it's going to say transfer IB/CPA/sales, click on that. And over here, you first have to select your partnership type. So click on that, click on IB, and to change IB over here in Vantage, you'll have to type in the new CPA ID or IB number, rebate account. So for us, if we're trying to change IB, it's going to be this IB number over here. Basically, just type it in, and then also make sure you type in the reason for transfer. And whenever you do this, of course, you have to confirm a few things over here and click on the submit button, okay? So here you also have to note these things here on the right hand side, and that's pretty much it. If they actually approve it, you'll be able to change your IB in Vantage. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.